Alright, folks, ever feel like your music is trapped inside a tiny, teeny speaker begging for freedom? Or maybe you're tired of those earbuds that keep falling out, making you look like you're constantly trying to catch invisible butterflies? Well, fear not, because today we are diving into the glorious world of the Sony MDRZX310AP headphones. But first, a few burning questions. Are these headphones going to make me sound like a rock god? Spoiler, probably not, but they'll definitely make your commute more bearable. Will they fold up small enough to fit in my pocket? Let's find out, shall we? Or maybe we'll just end up with a headphone shaped bulge. And most importantly, will I finally be able to hear the subtle nuances of my cat's meows? Okay, maybe not that last one. Let's get this unboxing party started. The box, a rectangular portal to audio bliss, or just some headphones. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Notice the sleek design on the box, promising a world of enhanced audio or something like that. I'm hoping it's just not a picture of a guy who looks really happy listening to static. And here they are, the Sony MDRZX310AP headphones. Look at them, all shiny and foldable. They look like they're ready to whisper sweet musical things into my ear. Or maybe just play my 90s playlist on a repeat. We'll see. Alright, let's get down to the nitty gritty. These bad boys boast 30mm dynamic drivers. That's fancy talk for they make sound. They also have a frequency of response of 10 Hz to 24,000 Hz, which means they can handle a pretty wide range of sounds. Basically, if your dog can hear it, you probably can too with these on. They also include a nice inline microphone and a control button, which is great for taking calls. 30mm dynamic drivers deliver a powerful and balanced sound experience. Lightweight and foldable design, which are perfect for portability and easy storage. Inline microphone and remote, which allow for hands-free calling and music control. Padded ear cups, which provide comfortable listening for extended periods. 4-conductor gold-plated L-shaped stereo mini plug provides excellent connection, which has a sensitivity of 98 decibels per milliwatt and an impedance of 24 ohms. The comfort. They're like little pillows for my ears, not too tight, not too loose. Just right. I can definitely see myself wearing these for hours without feeling like my head is being squeezed by a gentle audio loving giant. Time for the moment of truth. Let's see how these headphones handle everything from classical music to heavy metal. Wow, the sound is surprisingly clear and balanced. The bass is punchy, the mids are crisp, and the highs are, well, high. They're not going to replace your studio monitors, but for everyday listening, they're pretty good. Okay, let's see if these fold up as promised. They do, look at that. They're like little headphone origami. Now, will they fit in my pocket? Well, maybe not my skinny jeans pocket, but they'll definitely fit in my bag or backpack. So there you have it, the Sony MDRZX310AP headphones. Lightweight, comfortable and with surprisingly good sound. For the price, they're a great option for anyone looking for a reliable pair of headphones for everyday use. Plus, they make you look slightly cooler, which is always a bonus.